Yini ekwenza ungaphumi kuyena even though kukhona izinto wrong oyibonayo?
I suspected ukuthi maybe she used the potion kumina mfethu.
Potion like umuthi?
Like umuthi, like idlisa.
Okay.
Cause angi-act normal. You know? As much as esenza lezi zinto zakhe ezintsha azenzayo, akuphumeki kuyena ngisamthanda. Yabo, like uyaphuza, hamba nabangani, you know, kodwa futhi manje uma ngasafike ezela athi usangithanda ngizokhohlwa yona yonke lonto.
Sure.
Ngismile.
In other words, wena udinwa maye ngekho. Once waba phambi kwakho khohlwa yonke into.
Yes.
Ngale ukuthi usaze wagomula wenzani esaxoxa usatheni ngenxolisa phela. Ilaba nkashana kaMenzi yaphuza umlaza ngameva enhla nasezantsi ezifundazweni zethu zonke ekhona eNingizimu Afrika. Siphinde sibingelele sinamukele ohlelo lethu olubizwa ukuthi Indoda Ayikhali. Ila sigonyuluka khona singamadoda sixoxa namadoda sizwe ukuthi adliwa yini ngaphakathi kwenzakalani. Siyazi ukuthi eNingizimu Afrika yonkana abantu bajwayele ukudila nezitori ezinto abantu besifazane bexoxa nabantu besifazane begonyuluka abantu besifazane besho bahlukunyezwa. Kaze sizwe amadoda ukuthi ahlukunyezwa sizozwa kulolu hlelo ukuthi mayigonyuluka amadoda athini. Ngiyazi ukuthi abanye benu basibuza imibuzo amahlangana emgwaqeni content le noma yini, we are dealing with the real stories. Okunye nokunye sisiyoxoxa ngelinye ilanga. Asifuni ke futhi kuloko siqhubeke njalo sikhuluma izinto esingayindawo. Ufuna ukubona abantu bephumelela beqhubeka nempilo iyaphambili. Gama lami King Sithaka ngwalapha kaloqa seyanamukela la ohlelweni lwethu olubizwa ukuthi Indoda Ayikhali. Ayigonyuluka indoda sizwe ukuthi ikhala ngani. Sibingelele bhuti.
Ngiyabingelela bhuti ninjani?
Sikhona njani nini?
Hayi ngiyaphila nami bro.
Mfowethu.
Yeah.
Hayi uyazi ke mfowethu masila ekhaya suke sizokhuluma nabantu sizwe ukuthi inkinga zabo zimi kanjani ikakhulukazi amadoda njengoba nawe wenye amadoda. Mhlawumbe singakahambi kakhulu ake sizwe nje umfowethu ubani uvelaphi ukhulele.
Mfowethu mina ngusihlo kakhuzwayo.
Sure.
Ngikhulele endaweni yaseMbumbulu. Ikhona la engihlale khona ngimncane ngabuya ngala ngizophanta ngaphinde futhi ngaphindela khona.
Alright. Mhlawumbe uma sisibheka imuva lakho njengomuntu waseMbumbulu ma ubuka nawe emuva iziphi izinto ongayikhotha about ifamily yakho ukuthi ukhulela kuyona biyifamily enjani, be rich, be poor, phanda endaba wenzala?
Ngingathini izinto eziningi ezenza kube mnandi ekhaya uthando. Boyite kanjalo so ekhaya nje bese abantu abanothando sibambisene so kwagcina ke konke ke kubuke ngathi kuba lula. So ngathi siwumndeni ophakathi nendawo kodwa rich ngenxa yothando.
Eish. Powerful le story baba. Rich ngenxa yothando. Someone eyibuza lapha lo rich kanjani ngothando, uthando lokusiza ukuthi lekuguide endleleni uzothi hayi no ngimnandi masinothando. Uyayibuza omunye umuntu lapho mhlawumbe uyamchazela ungachaza uthini in terms of uthando nefamily yonkana.
Uthando losisiza kanjani ngaso sonke isikhathi mawenza into kukhona umuntu okholelwa kuwena.
Sure.
Ukwenzela umthwalo emahlombe akho ubelula lokho.
Yeah.
Kufana nokuba indoda enomuntu wesifazane oyithandayo othi ngisho mhlambe buye ku-interview emsebenzini uyabuya uthola ngomsebenzi akholelwe kuwena athi yazini bengakuthatha kunokuthi akudikile avela asho into enamandla kuwena athi yazini bengakuthathanga ingoba basabile ukuthi intoza nayo inkulu kunabo yabona bese uzizwe unamandla uthi yazini uyangithanda lo muntu uzizwe leli bhube selikuwena uvuke nakusasa uyozingela futhi ngeke ungabamba so nasekhaya bekunjalo bekunothando kakhulu. Uma wethu besazi nje sonke ukuthi ukhuluma nathi kanjani uyasazi zonke iziphiwo zethu ama-talent ethu so lokho kuhla bekubona kuwena ubengincoma ekugqugquzela bese kuyazibona ukuthi hayi ngingawudla umhlaba. Yeah.
Mfowethu wakhuzwa mhlambe masibheka kuwe omunye umuntu eyibuza in terms of education uhambe wafika phi uqale iphi amabanga aphansi ukufunda wafika phi kwakuyini inhloso yakho nje usuka phansi mase ngimdala mfuna ukwenza this thing?
Mfowethu kusho ukuthi mina ekukhuleni kwami bengumuntu obezibone namahlaya isikhathi esiningi.
Okay.
So njengoba ngizibona nginamahlaya bengithanda izinto ezinodrama phakathi. Nasesikoleni ngenze yona idrama. Kodwa ke ekuhambeni kwesikhathi ngisithole sengigwelela la ekufundiseni abantwana ngoba ngizibone nginothando lokubona omunye umuntu impilo yakhe iphucuzeka ngizazi nami ukuthi ngifaka isandla lapho ngoba ngibone ekukhuleni kwami izinto eziningi bengizenzela yize bebengisiza ekhaya kodwa kube khona isikhathi la kumele ngikhule khona ngizenzele into eningi so ngathi what if ngisiza omunye umuntu nami ukuthi abe right empilweni isibusiso leso besifundiseke kanjani ekhaya
mhlawumbe ibuza ke iphendula umbukelo weBlack Life ukuthi kungani usichaka onganda kangaka wangena kuma details abantu nani asingene straight endabeni lalela mntagogo kukhona izinto okufanele uyikhulume nomuntu so that uzo understand lo muntu osize ngaye la unjani ngoba abanye bafika la still engqondweni yabo kusekhona lokho ukuthi yena ongumhlukumezi yena uhlukumezekile yena usengaphuma alwe kwaye namhlanje so sifuna ukunderstand ukuthi umuntu kahle i-background yakhe story ithini because wonke umuntu unemuva lakhe nawe lo ubukela as we speak unalo imuva lakho mfowethu asingene manje sibuke ke ukuthi ngesikhathi ufunda uqeda njengoba usuchazile ukuthi ubufuna ukwenza inani waholwa idrama in terms of indaba zothando ngoba la sikhuluma ngabantu abahlushwa abantu besifazane thizini wena othandweni ungena kanjani ungena abangani ungena ngoba isinqaba ushaya vele beyithi
ngingathini mfowethu ngeke ngize ngikhomba abangani bami ngizokhomba indlela mhlawumbe ngiphilisana nayo nabantu yabona so wenza izinto eziningi zaka drama uya entertain abantu and everything bese kuba khona umuntu obona ipotential kuwena nokuhlakanipha kwakho mfowethu khona umuntu othi mayikhuluma nawe esimame achaze izinto eziningi azifundayo kuwena bese ke kuba khona uthando lapho so mfowethu iyona into engidiscovered along the way ukuthi mhlawumbe indlela engikhuliseke ngayo ekhaya iyenza a positive impact kwezinye impilo zabantu abasondelene nami so ngingene kanjalo othandweni kube khona usisi esithe ukuzona naye sabangani sitadisha ndawonye senze izinto eziningi ndawonye so uthe makhamba isikhathi lokho engitshela athi yazi manginawe ngisizwa ngijabulile enhlizweni kune chemistry also yangikhulisa indlela okhuluma ngayo nami ngisho ngingekho right kunendlela eyizwi engathi lokuhlakanipha ongifikele nalo so she fell in love and I couldn't resist because bengibona ukuthi nami ngiyajabula manginayo ngikwazi noku-open up because isikhathi esiningi kumuntu oyigcina ngaphakathi so nga-open up you know ngavuleleka kuyena ngabona uthando nje oluyisimangaliso saqala sihambe indawo soba u2 mas attend ama-shows ama-concerts siyo shopha siyodla ngaphandle you know izinto eziningi sizenza ndawo that is how I fell in love. I felt like maybe for so long in my life I needed a partner engizokwazi ukwenza naye izinto eziningi ngabambeka kanjalo
uvele ungena umuntu onentombi eningi vele ubuqala kuyena noma mhlawumbe uyeke along the way ubona ukuthi no nangu umlingani wami nalo ubambo la
ngiyeke along the way because as umfana okhula you receive a lot of attention from the ladies you know and sometimes usuke nawo ungekho matured enough ucabanga ukuthi kumele uyidlale kanje igame but the more you grow and the more you meet umuntu okukhulisayo nangendlela yempilo nangendlela yempatho that is when you change so that's what happened to me I changed ngenxa yalolu thando engangilithola
as umjida edladleni obukhula vele ngothando sohlangana nothando endleleni lo muntu unezwana naye ithini introduction yakho to ifamily yakho noma yakhe bakhona abazi ekhaya kubona kini ukuthi no nina ngamathe nolimi
yes khamba isikhathi where I realized that it's even hard isilungu sabelungu it's very wrong when I try to explain it my head will headache me okay so it came to a point where I failed to hide my happiness you know babona ekhaya ukuthi like you're so happy you're changed kusaqala yes khona lo sisothi hey eqaleni hey you know because makusaqala helele You know, Khalid. So kusaqala, it's like I was over the moon.
Sure.
I was even writing poems about her. You know, I was so obsessed.
Yo.
Iphimbo lakhe.
Yes.
Mangingalizwanga osukwini kwangazi mhlambe there's a drug engayidlanga.
Yeah.
I was taken away. I was so taken away and ngangimkhumbula so strong. Kungathi usemovie. Uyalazi lolu thanda grade 7. Kube ngathi usemovie mfethu. Mubona umuntu ngathi khalibi kulizwe biko le
senihleli kusofa nonke yabo.
Yes, kwakukanjalo. I feel like she brings back lola thando lolo because uthando olukhulu lwangempela siba nalo ilolu sayingani momthanda umuntu sayingani soluzwa ngempela lo lenza ungalala umcabanga siyo kwenza into kanjalo nasekhaya babazi babesebemazi angazi ke kahle kubo but basebamkhuza ngami because phela it's hard ukuncoma ingane yentombazane ngomfana ayikho njalo but esikhathini samanje kuyenzeka because you know so baba uthi hayi ungayiletha lo nsizwe uzoyi-introduce asinibone because we can't escape ikhathi ukuthi ziyashintsha but ke basebangikhuza kakhulu bamkhuza ngami kakhulu kubo to a point where she told me ukuthi yazi bangikhuza ngawe ekhaya and bagcina bephahluka ukuthi because bayabona ukuthi angifuni ukuyeka baphahlukile ukuthi bayibona i-positive impact onayo empilweni yami yabo because uma umuntu umthanda mfowethu isifundo nje lesi sethu ezisaba futhi uma umuntu umthanda ungamqhathi nabantu bakuwo kungashiyo ukuthi wena ufundi ngenxa kasibani umtshele zenze into ezibalekile umsize mefuna usizo babone positive impact ukuze mebethu usikhotheni kuyena bengazi ukuthi yini ezoba ubufakazi abazoyiletha because uletha i-positive impact usikhotheni onjani owenza ingane yethu ibe umuntu ongcono yabo so make them see ukuthi ushintshile kodwa ngendlela right wenza izinto ezinhle kakhulu kunakuqala so it was like that I was helping her ngomsebenzi wakhe wesikole I was making sure ukuthi like even bene business lokudayisa even ama products so I was getting her customers wayasho kuba ethi ngiyamdayisisisa and bebona uba ne-pocket money akasahluphi kakhulu nengane zakuba uyithengela into ezimnandi you know so wangitshela ukuthi bathi ekhaya bangikhuza ngayo but bathi they can't ignore the fact that you bring in positive impact in my life
ikhona into engaze iyenze bakhuze ekhaya khona namajita esekubona ukuthi lo art lo umshaye wesinqe
ngikhuzwa abafowethu ekhaya
kubo into engenza ukuthi mhlawumbe uyacabanga ukuthi iyona into eyenza bamkhuze ngayo
okay singaqala sithini mhlawumbe amajita kubo ayalazi ifayile lami lakudala because wonke umuntu ekhulubile namaphutha number 2 ngaso sonke isikhathi ingane yakeni mina umuntu esilisa ophila naye hleze usikhotheni kuwena ukuthi uyi-outside grand uyadrive kuwena hleze wonke umjita unomona nosisi wakhe osisi bethu babe bangayi-understand lo nto bayitshela ukuthi mhlawumbe asifuni babe happy no it's a sign of love you are jealous it's natural umfisa be protected ngiyazi bathi bona hayibo why ufuna ungivikela ngimdala I can protect my they don't understand it's your masculinity sometimes mdala kunawe yes but it's the masculinity thing kufana noma indoda umuntu ashaya umuntu esifazane phambi kwakho as much as mhlawumbe ungayingeni leyo ndaba kodwa ikhona lento uthi ngithulele
kanjani
it's the masculinity thing but so if they are jealous of siswabo yes they can say anything nami ngingakusho lokho nkosisi bami ngithi bafethu
basabana
yabo liba nabo bokosikhotheni lapha umazi umjida amthole kwenye indawo man lethe vele futhi idlathi akuphathi kona mazama ukuba umngane wakho yeah
so now mfethu sasingena udabeni ke manje exactly olukwenze wagcina kunenkinga kuphazamiseke emoyeni so esitorini esimnandanga ngasihamba konakala lapha in fact
I think it's the introduction of abangani bakhe abasha empilweni yakhe.
Yeah.
You know, or angazi. I think mhlambe because it can be two sides.
Sure.
Kungenza ukuthi into already ayiyona or abangani abamshitshile. Because sometimes we blame people for changing other people, forgetting that umuntu kukuyena uthi ayithathele isiqomo mfethu. Ngeke uthi uhappy la. Uhappy. Ngikuthathe ngiyokuphilisa enye impilo kodwa uhappy la. If uhappy la ukhona zinza yabona. So ngingachaza kakhulu embuzweni wakho. I think ukuthola abangani abasha wasi wangafuna ukuba yena wafuna naye uku-adapta because manje she started drinking heavily.
Sure.
Like heavily, angikhulumi ngifethu ngento encane, like every party, but kwaqala ku cute yabona, baby say keep. Okay, you know, ngizophendula kanjani ngithi uyilapho yabona. No, abangani bami engitadisha nabo incwadi yasigqilaza, so we want to have some time to have some fun. Policy can't. Unganqaba kanjani into enjalo? Funda nabo labantu. Also they buy my product. You know, so how can I disappoint my customers? Befuna just smaller nyana parts. And I said, okay, cool.
Let's go.
Ayi phathini. Manje sengicela kaningi lama parts. Gcina ngasacela shuthi wesebona sekukuningi kakhulu. Aye kulama part akhe. I think she found a man there because there were signs manje ukuthi she found a man there. Yayibona nto. Uyakwazi futhi ukubona umuntu wakhe happy kodwa umbona uthi akuwena omenza be happy. Hello.
Oh happy lapha.
Uyazilonto futhi. Ugule uyindoda ubona umuntu wakhe happy endlini edlala exhuma yedwa nefone ubona uthi le happiness it's a new man happiness not wena the old man.
Hey ufe ngaphakathi nje.
Yebontana so kwakuyinto kanjalo I saw okay khona la ngifuna ukufika khona but I saw ukuthi like she's changing. Ngiyabona ukuthi happy and ngiyazama ukungena kule happiness yakhe ngiyabona ukuthi ayimayilana nami I can feel it. Isikhathi sami akanaso sewuhleze ethi umuntu ofundayo ebe umuntu wayengitshela ukuthi like ayikho into ezoma endleleni yethu even the books even anything because uyazi ukuthi ngiyamsiza ngalezo zinto ngifuna ukuba namathi ngiyakukhumbula kodwa kunento emele ngiyitadishe ngithi woza tadishe endlini sifunde sibe no 2 minutes worth sifunde 2 minutes worth break yabona because I didn't want to disturb her. Eyifundweni zakhe yeah. So kwabe into kanjalo ngabona ukuthi no there's a new nigga involved. You know, she's changing, sehleze busy, sehleze khathele, ama text uyaphuza ukwaphendula. Akutshela ukuthi hey mfethu inkinga ukuthi anginaki.
Angithi uma senhlanga nomuntu banamgoma nembandela enibekela nayo mhlawumbe nivumelana ngayo. Kwakuyini yini yayikhona lento ukuthi singanakani la sinakane la yayikhona into kanjani noma into vele livumba esikhaleni
ke mfowethu into enzalayo when I met her she said to me okay so when I met her mina ngangingenakho emqondo because isikhathi esiningi mina angiyenze veze lento ukuthi sengithola intombazane sengifaka amahuku yebo ingane isakwazi ukunyakaza yabona mina ngiyengifuna kube yona intombazane ecacisayo ukuthi lento ethi yapi yabona because isikhathi esiningi umuntu esifaka none power yoku decide the fate your relationship if she loves you so much and you see everything ukuthi let it grow then iyaphambili if on and off now yabona you know because they are emotional beings they are lovers bona bayiphethe kakhulu le percent yothando as much as you when you must protect provide make her happy now she can do those things but kule love part ukudla kakhulu wena you understand because she's an emotional being when you are more mentally indoda isebenzisa kakhulu umqondo. That's why ngakwazi ukufocus ey'ntweni ey'ningi ngesikhathi zoba ubuka ibhola usebholeni. Wenze enye into Bona they can multitask because kusuka le enhlizweni uncelisa ingane uyapheka uyamopha but konke kuphumelele
wena exactly usengadata wona phela jabuliswa nyawo at the same time
ayibona ke le
so now lifika kanjani ekutheni manje seniyaphambana ngombono usuyabona ukuthi khona into azenza and wenze kanjani ukuthi lento uyixoxe ubhoboke esifubeni sakho yini ekwenza ungaphumi kuyena even though kukhona izinto ezirong oyibonayo?
I suspected ukuthi maybe she used the potion kumina mfethu.
Potion like umuthi?
Like umuthi, like idlis.
Okay.
Cause ang-act normal. You know? As much as esenza lezi zinto zakhe ezintsha azenzayo, akuphumeki kuyena ngisamthanda. Yabo like uyaphuza hamba nabangani you know kodwa futhi manje uma ngasafike ezela athi usangithanda ngizokhohlwa yona yonke lonto
sure
ngismile
in other words wena udinwa maye ngakho once waba phambi kwakho khohlwa yonke into
yes
ngale ukuthi usezawagomula wenzani esaxoxa usatheni yanxolisa phela
ngabona ivideo yakhe ke ngitshengisa omunye wabangani bami
enza le dance
bese bomnandini kudanswa khona umfowethu wampansa wamqabula wambamba yonke indawo emzimbeni kuyajatshulwa
but still you love her.
When I see her everything that I love about her comes back. That is the thing. Like even ekhaya
yeah
bambona enza izinto njengoba ngisho she's drinking heavily usekwi-level la engenandaba ukuthi bambonayo enzani kanjani yabona kanjani bangitshela because bayamazi bebemthanda bezwana nosisi bami kulukwana kumnandi nje but hayibo wenza ukuthi because osisi bami baqale beloko bengifihlela because basaba ungitshela they don't know how this will affect me and now bakonyeluka bathi usubonile ukuthi sometimes banibani vele ngibe nolaka ke mengibuzwa mengizwa igama lakhe but when she calms me down ngithi mina why ningibuza bathi no ukuthi khona sifuna ukutshela wona it's like uyaphuza and wenza noma yini nanombani and ngisengambona nami even ngasekhaya hamba nemoto polo bona nje ukuthi balave idavi nalomjeti but abuye futhi angitshela ukuthi usangithanda and I forget all these things.
Sure. Unqotho egama lothando now inkinga yakho nale gama lothando uyalazi uthando ukuthi yini and now you believe le gama lothando likhiphayo alifani nalothando okhuliswe ngale khaya lokuthi uma wekhombisa lo so uthi lo luthando osunalo ngaye lunento ethile phakathi
khona into ekhona mfethu
so kuyona yonke lento yenzeka ukhona umuntu omdala kwakhuluma naye bakubonisa abathini mhlambe uke waya mhlambe wayithu ukujika sami because abanye kuyenzeka ukuthi ufuna usizo that day kufanele athathwe ngayiswe lapha akhansela yena sesivukile lento wena uke waya nemizamo yenzi
okay I think ekhaya bake bazama ukuthi bakhulume nami akumina ngazama ukuya cause you know ngiyabahlonipha kakhulu ekhaya ngithanda ngikhuluma indaba zabo zothando zami zothando nabo but there is a level where you flop as a young person in such a way that into ethila isagcineki kuwena wedwa anymore sifuna abantu abadala ngenkani yeah so cause ngisengalo nobhuti bakhe
nibangani
sibanga ukuthi ngifuna ukumbona ngenkani
ufike kubo
ngambona hamba nomjita ngemoto it's like 2 times khona ngimbona la kule video yakhe besandongitshengisa amajita I feel like kumele ngiyombona and prove to her ngimthanda kangakanani mhlambe ngixolise sibuze ukuthi ngenzeni.
Yeah.
But angikho wrong ngenzeni yabo because all I gave her was love. I didn't understand yabona, but I feel like mhlawumbe ngimbona ngizoba right from le thing ngizwayo because I feel like content ngaphakathi feel like something is chopping my heart.
Ebusuku lala kanjani?
Mhlawumbe uba ngcono mewuthi uthe hi wangibingelela then I can sleep. If engekho the whole day I'm thinking mhlawumbe nomunye umuntu wesilisa ayibona kanjalo. Yabo ngisengelo no but bag ngalwa ngaleso sikhathi ngithi ngifuna umbona ngafika ebusuku like angibone emehlweni ngicabanga yena ngihamba endleleni ngiyastate angibone emehlweni mfethu ngiqamule emgaqweni mfethu ukukhala mawuthi hey baba kwenze njani. Hayibo majidami kade ngitshengisa le video athi hayibo mfethu uzithini kalona bafowethu waginqa ngaya khona ngafika ngathi ngifuna umbona memeze egate angiyicontrol angikaze ngicabanga ukuthi ngiyoke ngimemeze mina emzini wenye indoda ngimemezela intombazana lento engisho there is something ekhona mfethu engidliswe yona because mangifika ngimemeze angaphumi ngimemeze aphuma ngixosh kwaphuma obhuti bakhe bazala ukulwa nami salwa hard mfethu hard omunye walimala I think ngaba kuphuka isandla.
Now when uphila impilo yabantu ababili uwedwa on other hand uyabuyela engqondweni ubone lento engiyenza lapha wrong kodwa masifile lento e wrong ngade uyenza awusayibona ukuthi ubani usukula ngqondo nje ukuthi uyena
same thing ke nokumthanda njengobusho mfowethu mengekho nginolaka mekhona alisekho mase sengivukwe ilento yokufuna ukumbona angisemini mase sengisekhaya sengitshela izinto ozenzile ngenxa yale ntombazane angisazi ukuthi ngizenze kanjani.
I know mfethu ukuthi le video njengoba siyenza la abantu bayabuka futhi bazoba nama comment abawenza so last ila ngabantu aba related to story sakho abanye bakaze basibona impilo zawo kodwa basibona senzeka komunye kuwena ufisa ukuthola umbono enjani kulabo bantu because umuntu ogrand awujama umuntu okhuliswa ngothando umuntu ongakuthanda ukulo kodwa manje kune situation ocabanga ukuthi sizikufaka kulento yipi advice oyidinga kubantu njengamanje?
You know, this is a hard situation before I even ask questions because manje she's even a psycho khona enye intombazana akeza ukuthi ingikhonzile siyahleka nayo afike phihlize laptop yami amawindi endlini yami and all that but angikwazi ukwenza lutho so mhlawumbe into engayibuza ukuthi yenziwa njani into enje like iadvice abanganginika yona because lo muntu wenza yonke into wrong and ngimxolele because ngiyamthanda but mina like uqoma phambi kwami uphuza phambi kwami nabantu uhambe nabo umbone ekseni kwasha kwacima
nyamalala
ungamazi ngamthola efonini tshela ukuthi behleli nabangani bakhe abanjani labo ongayisebenzisa ifoni mohleli nabo suzwana nama minister mhlambe niseparlament ifoni ayispan yabadala so ngifuna ukwazi what advice can you give me because lo muntu yena unesikhwele makhona abanye abantu besimama ngizama ukubafaka empilweni yami and akuhlukaneki naye akuhlukaneki naye wenza ngayo yonke indlela ukuthi ngiyaqhubeka ngithanda naye but ulokho engithocharisha so ngingenza kanjani like ngiphuma kanjani ku situation enje because this love doesn't feel good anymore. I feel like I'm in a cage ukubona mfethu inyoni evalelwe ecage iyayibuka yonke impilo kodwa ise-cage ngifakela ukudla nje when I can go out and look for food for myself.
Right, ngiyakuthola themba ukuthi nabantu babuka lapha ekhaya baluza udaba lakho futhi bafunda okuningi khona abangakusiza ngakho bekuphendula but elakho lokugcina njengamanje usizwa kanjani ngabantu besifazane in terms of into zokuthandana nani nani, uthini kwi-out ehlukumeza ke njengawe njengamanje?
To a brother mhlawumbe olimele njengami, I will encourage you more, Bafo, to focus on building yourself. You know, izinto eziningi ozenzayo gxila ekuthenini wena uyaziqhenya ngawe, ungazulinde uvo lwabanye abantu. Oqala sithande mfethu, zitshela ukuthi you are the best dude emhlabeni. Anginandaba Bafo ukuthi unani o kanjani, because into ezala izinto ezinhle mfethu umlomo wakho. Yabona kanjalo, that's why lithi zikaNkulunkulu wathi uNkulunkulu makube khona umhlaba, kube khona izulu, zaba khona lezo zinto. He was showing us ukuthi ngomlomo wethu siyadala. If ungenalutho khuluma ilife. In fact, usho ukuthi I'm the greatest brother osekwaphila, I'm gonna be there, I'm gonna be there. You will be there, and bese uyazama bese uba njalo. Number 2, vula isifuba sakho, khuluma nabantu abadala, ungafani nami. Mina ngigcina izinto ngaphakathi mase sezonakele kakhulu emande nakhona ngiyikhulumela sengiyadakulwa ngenkani khuluma. Ubona ingane emedla iqathe elishisa engafuni ukuvula umlomo nezineshaya ikhuluma. So gcina sengikhuluma sekulethe and leyo nto singidamejile. So khuluma nabantu abadala, zithande mfethu. You know, into engayisho ngabantu besimame ngingathini? Ngingathi uzomthola umuntu oright okufanele. Yabo ngeke ngisho ukuthi abantu besimame bayabheda na because fana nami ngiphuza utshwala, ngidle namanye ama drugs angaziwa, ngizijova ingqondo ihambe bese ngihambe ngegwaza abantu ngemmese bese ngithi wonke amadoda njengami. Nah, it's not like that. Kukuwena ukuthi wenza njani, but engingakusho ukuthi umuntu wesimame right empilweni yakho uqhamuka kwi-spiritual world, you pray for her. I believe in that. You know,
and now you still believe it's all right.
All right, who will heal me? Who will heal me? And if you're in the healing process, uzama ukuzenza ube better, uyazifunda, uzama ukuphuma kwe-relationship toxic, usuphumile, you are attending all these things, ukhuluma nabantu abadala, you're attending spiritual gatherings, you're eating healthy food. Oh, ungakhohlwa ukujima. Ukujima is a best detox. You know, lumjuluko ophumayo inhlungu zakho lezo ziyaphuma out. So if you're doing all those things while you're in the healing process, stop dating. Because abantu abaningi abalapheki ngoba manje uthi umuntu esahila kulento yamlimaza kudala sekwenye relationship, le relationship enze iphuthe encane lo muntu anasemkhumbuza loya sujudgewa ngale ya character le yamuntu siyaphela lona. Uyotshola nabantu baze babe bangahaki kulokhu uthi bona abantu abanenkinga.
So here kulesikhathi sakho sithemba ukuthi usizolithola futhi nawe uzokwazi ukuqhubeka phambili.
Yeah, ngiyabonga kakhulu mfowethu.
Okwebebhekla TV lolo hlelo libizwa ukuthi ke indoda ayikhali. Ila sidingida khona ifuba zamadoda eqaquluka nje ekhuluma ukuthi ngabe kwenzakalani egonyuluka ngaphakathi lawo. Uyaqala ke ukuyibona lento enjengale yenzakala ku-Black Life. Uyasazi ukuthi sihamba izwe lonke sibheke izinto, sikhulume nabantu abadinga usizo. Asithembe sophela sibonana ku-episode elandelayo. For now, nisale kahle.